Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding Chainlink, Link, on Coinbase and want to move it to your Arculus wallet for better security or more control, you're in the right place. This guide is tailored for 2025, so we'll cover the latest steps to make the process smooth and hassle-free. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, I'll walk you through this step by step. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have your Coinbase account set up with two-factor authentication enabled. It's crucial for security in 2025's evolving crypto landscape. Open the Coinbase app or website and log in securely. Once you're in, head over to your portfolio section. Here, you'll see all your assets, including Chainlink. Tap or click on Chainlink to select it. Now, look for the Withdraw or Send option. It's usually right there on the asset page. Next, you'll need to enter the withdrawal details. This is where your Arculus wallet comes in. Open your Arculus app, go to the Wallet section, and copy the receiving address for Chainlink. Paste that address into the To field on Coinbase. Double-check it to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto addresses are case-sensitive. Before you confirm, review the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be network fees, especially if we're dealing with the Ethereum blockchain since Chainlink is an ERC20 token. In 2025, these fees can fluctuate, so check current rates to keep costs low. Hit the Confirm button, and you'll likely need to verify this through an email, text, or your 2FA app. Once approved, the transaction will process. Depending on network congestion, it could take a few minutes to an hour. Finally, jump back to your Arculus wallet and refresh it. You should see your Chainlink tokens arrive shortly. Awesome job! Always keep an eye on your transactions using blockchain explorers like Etherscan for peace of mind. That wraps up our tutorial on withdrawing Chainlink from Coinbase to Arculus in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.